Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. So today I have a unisex style knee-high boot to show you, the RIOT-18BK in black leather. All products that we are unboxing for you are available to buy online with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. I also want to mention, if you can't sit through these longer detailed videos, then check out our YouTube Shorts section, as I'm putting together some shorter clips there as well. So I'll just get these unwrapped now out of the plastic. And you see we've got this Demonia wrapping paper covering the shoes. So this style is made from real leather, but we also have a black vegan leather option as well. This style also has the steel cap toe and a full length inside zipper. It's got the little Demonia logo there. And these 5 functional buckle straps that you can adjust to fit. The bottom sole is made of rubber and has these screws all over the bottom length. It's also got that little metal Demonia logo on the bottom as well. I should also mention this style comes in men's USA sizing. So let's undo this buckle to show you. Now these straps, they're also made from real leather. These straps are fully adjustable, each of them, so you can loosen them and tighten them as much as you need to. But the boots also lace up with 18 eyelets. Unlike some other buckled styles, these buckles, they don't have that little bit of elastic stretch behind them. These ones are just stitched in with the leather. Now let's unzip them and have a look inside. So these leather boots don't have any additional padded lining like some of the other boots have. But you can see the leather here is quite thick. And again, the Demonia logo on the tongue. The laces are here, I promise. Here they are. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style, or if there is a style that you want to see unboxed next time, just let us know in the comments. Our link to the product will be in the description box. Now just grab the other shoe, get that out of the bag here. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel if you like these videos, to help support us to make more of these unboxing videos for you. It does take quite a while for me to film and edit all of these videos, but I am hoping to get a lot more styles on our channel for you. Now just a few shots of them both together so you can see how they look. The good thing about the zipper on these boots is that once you've laced them up and you've adjusted the buckles, you can just use the zipper to put them on and off. So there you have it, the RIOT-18BK in black leather by Demonia. We hope you come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching, guys.